Hello, here you have another beggar, MD Rabbi Ahmed. So who is this guy? Digital marketer, YouTube video SEO, Facebook ads campaign. So it's just another bug, a spammer. You know, like a SEO, they're all spammers. So he contact me, he say, hello sir. So it's from India, probably. I recently had the opportunity to explore your YouTube channel. I must say that I am impressed with the quality of content you are creating. So here, immediately I know he's a fucking liar, a scammer, because I don't do quality content. So your video doesn't have a good thumbnail. That's your opinion, man. It has come to my attention that the title, description, video tag, video SEO, and high volume keywords are not provided. Whatever. This is why people don't find videos. Poor people. I also saw that in your videos are not SEO friendly, search engine optimization, while uploading. So you see, he's very confused individual. He doesn't know what he's talking about, just want to put words in it. You know, I also saw in your videos that your videos are not SEO friendly, search engine optimization, while uploading. This sentence doesn't make any sense. You know, while uploading what are you talking about? So I say, okay, do it for free. So now we're talking. Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? Yes, if you do it for free. And your videos needs to be SEO, which requires some premium tools, but it will definitely cost money to buy. I say, okay, no problem, buy them and do it. So he says, before purchase, you need to make some payment so that I can buy the tools and then start your video SEO. I say, use your own money to buy them. Sir, I have no use for using my money. If you want to do SEO for your videos, then you can hire me. I will do the work for you. I told you to do it for free. And he say, okay sir, I will give you free, but you have to give me editor access of your YouTube channel. So here comes the scammer, what he wants to do. So I say, no way, so how do I work? So I will say, you work for free and without editor access of my YouTube channel. So of course this is going nowhere because he's not going to do it for free, and whatever he's going to do, I could do it myself. Doesn't matter. He doesn't even know my channel. I mean, probably. Or I don't know what he does, but because I get some comments in YouTube also from the same spammers and scammer talking about the high quality of my videos, but unfortunately, my SEO is so poor, so the people cannot find my video. And then they want money. But there is no way I'm going to give money. So, you see, if you receive some things like this, some first message, don't believe it. Lose your faith in humanity. They are not, I mean, this guy, he only wants money. So if I give him money and say, take it and whatever, do nothing, you have nothing to do for me, he will be very happy. So he's only talking about this, all those words, just to get some money and provide a very bad work, which is not needed anyway, but just to justify the money. And then he will have never enough money, always want more, just for his life. But if he could have money for nothing, he would do it gladly. So this is a spammer and a scammer, because as you can see, he say, okay, I do it for free, but you give me editor access to your YouTube. So imagine if you are stupid enough to do it, what he can do. You know, you will never give. But if you do, then don't complain after, don't cry, because he will delete your video or make some blackmail, some scam to say, okay, now if you want your video back, you have to pay me, etc. He will come back to this, because that's all it matters is money. That's it for this video. Bye bye, and fuck you, Ahmed.